If you enjoy the game Fishing Clash, today's video will teach you how to get a modded version with unlimited everything, guys. It's super cool. This gets you pearls, coins, it's all here. So go to tweakmod.com, and once you're on the site, just go to the search bar and type in Fishing Clash. And there's the mod. Press install. And before it downloads, you're probably going to see a page where it asks you to download some remaining files, but even if you're scared, guys, I'm going to show you how to do it because it is pretty easy. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just going to let it download. And I enjoy Fishing Clash like the next guy, but unfortunately I don't have that kind of money to spend on the game. So this modded version is quite helpful because I can get everything for free. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So before it downloads, as I said, it is going to bring us to the page where it says missing files required. So you're going to see all these apps. You just got to download some of them, like the Travel Town says reach level 10. You just press on it and it should bring you to the store. I don't know if these ones work on I don't know if they work on Android, but for instance, like Rewarded Play, we got TikTok. You just press on the app and it will bring you to the store. So I'll see you later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So if you guys are poor, then be sure to try us out because Fishing Clash is not cheap. So yeah, this is pretty wild. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys like this method. It's fully working, and yeah, so pretty cool stuff. I'll see you later, though. So this works on iPhone and Android. I just want to clarify that. But yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. So I'll see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. It's pretty insane.